Let's walk through how to use the L5300 to ensure optimal moisture levels for your wood products. The L5300 features Wagner's IntelliSense technology, ensuring accurate readings by measuring moisture in the wood, not on the wood surface. It is also compatible with the L722 lumber stack probe, allowing you to measure hidden moisture deep within stickered stacks. Before getting started, ensure the two rechargeable 9-volt batteries are fully charged. To power on the L5300, press the power button for 1 second. The screen will display the model, software version, and battery status. For the most accurate readings, select the correct wood species. Press the menu select button, navigate to species using the jog pad, and select your desired species using the menu select button. The L5300 comes preloaded with 46 species, and you can customize the list to match your workflow. You can customize your species list by adding or editing wood species. To add a new species, press the menu select button, navigate to the species menu, and confirm your selection by clicking the menu select button. Use the jog pad and the menu select button to enter the species name. To set the specific gravity, use the jog pad to navigate to the red SG option on the screen and click the menu select button. Adjust the specific gravity by pressing up and down on the jog pad. Once set, press the back button. To save your new species to the meter, press the menu select button. You can also edit an existing species by selecting it from the list and adjusting its specific gravity to match your needs. To take a moisture reading, place the sensor plate flat against a smooth, clean wood surface, aligned with the grain, and apply slight downward pressure. The moisture reading will appear instantly on the display. To store a reading, press the power button. The L5300 can store up to 1,000 readings across 100 groups. The L5300 features a histogram display allowing you to visualize moisture variations across multiple readings. To switch to the histogram display, press left or right on the jog pad. This feature helps quickly identify inconsistencies and assess overall wood quality. You can also take new readings while in histogram mode by pressing the power button. If you want to organize your readings, go to the Groups menu and select a specific group before taking measurements. This feature helps you track readings for specific areas, such as kilns or different sections of your lumberyard. To view stored readings and statistics for different groups, use the left and right buttons on the jog pad to scroll through them. Here you will see each group's minimum, maximum, average, and standard deviation of moisture content. The L5300 is designed to work with the L722 lumber stack probe, allowing you to measure hidden moisture deep within stickered stacks. To use the stack probe accessory, connect the L722 to the meter with the legacy adapter, secure the cable with the Velcro strap, and position the probe sensor plate within the stack. To take and store readings, simply press the power button on the meter. For advanced data analysis, the L5300 features a USB port for direct data transfer to Wagner's WoodStat Pro moisture analysis software. This Windows software allows you to organize, analyze, and generate reports for quality control and moisture trend tracking. The L5300 comes factory calibrated and maintains accuracy with the included on-demand calibration block. A NIST traceable version of this block is also available to customers who wish to ensure their moisture meter's accuracy is verified against a recognized national standard for precision and compliance. Maintenance for this meter is simple. Just keep the sensor plate clean and store the meter in a dry, dust-free environment. The L5300 Industrial Handheld Moisture Meter is a powerful tool to ensure accurate, reliable moisture measurements in wood manufacturing. For more information or to order your L5300, visit wagnermeters.com.